Hi guys, we're going to talk about the newly built Interstate 301. We're back on Savannah Trail once again, but this is a new interstate. Highway 1 will become an interstate sooner. This one is closed right now, but let's just bypass it. Right, here it is. Darimo Crescent, it's still unsigned. This is the construction. Darimo Crescent again. I-301 from Savannah. This is a newly built interstate. These used to be called Gonar Street. But the government wants to build an interstate right next to their downtown. Here's downtown Savannah, which will take forever. Dorchester Road is now whatever intersection is. It's still Savannah, Innerfield Road, and Dusk Drive. Oh yeah, the bus routes is on a different route now. And here's the ending of I-301. It ends at downtown and at a stoplight. This is Highway 13. Let's go around. Alright, here's the eastbound of I-301. Right, same thing. Innerfield Road and Dusk Drive. Don't worry about that white floating block. Alright, here's the Remo Crescent again. There's Jack Hamilton Hotel. There's Walmart right next to it. As you can see, there's no exit for the Remo Crescent and eastbound. It would have gotten off. Here it is. I-301, 1 Phillipsburg. I-401, which will be built soon. Savannah Trail. I-401 is now an expressway. Here's Savannah Trail. And here's the end of I-301. It's now joined to Highway 1, which will become an interstate in some years. Here's the newly built Highway 19. Goes to like Lacketbrunn. 119 Bransboy, Phillipsburg. Right, here in Eden Road, there's an interchange, but they will be upper level soon. Here's East Savannah, which is gonna be built. Alright, I'll see you all later. Bye.